I've got so many things to do. Thanksgiving is in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So much stuff to do.
Oh, no.
It's starting to me thinking, what do we do? Puppet, we have so many people coming for that week of Thanksgiving. And
I'm making Puppet crazy. I know. Puppet wasn't ready before, but he is now.
Puppet, start to worry because it's not just Thanksgiving meal we got to prepare.
Yeah.
It's what everybody's going to do that whole week. We've got lunches. We've got breakfast. We can't keep, we can't serve donuts and cereal.
Puppet likes donuts and cereal.
Puppet may like donuts and cereal, but Puppet, we can't. We can't do
There's
that.
high variety, powdered and chocolate.
Well, that may be your favorite, I know, but listen.
Yeah.
So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate a mushroom spinach Gruyere frittata today because we can put that out for breakfast. We can put it out for lunch, even dinner when people are shopping or afterwards. I'm just thinking, what are we going to do?
Frittata-ta.
Frittata-ta.
Yeah.
So, you want me to start?
Please go.
So in our pan, since it's mushroom, spinach, and Gruyere, we've got mushrooms sauteed in the usual way, butter, olive oil, so that's all in here. And then it's super simple, Puppet, super simple. It's going to take like 2 minutes.
Okay.
So then we put the spinach in here to saute. Baby little spinach, put it in here. You can season it with salt, pepper. You can put in there your favorite basil or
basil.
Oregano. You can do that too. But so
oregano.
Yeah. Oregano. But that is
this is not the Great British Baking Show.
I know. I know. But so that's going to saute in here and it's going to take a minute. Do you have anything that you want to share? What have you been up to? Or this is going to just take a couple seconds?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Well, Puppet's thinking that because he's got so many family members coming, like maybe 2 dozen, that Puppet should help out with the meal.
Okay.
And Puppet has been doing some research, and so Puppet thinks he can cover the main 4 Thanksgiving recipes.
Puppet, okay.
And those are toast, popcorn, jelly beans, and the best, pretzel sticks.
Puppet, we can't serve that.
What? You don't think our families are good enough for pretzel sticks?
I'm thinking that I know where you got that research from. Yeah. No, Puppet, we can't serve that for a Thanksgiving meal.
Yeah, what do you mean? You went to my secret cookbook. Charlie Brown Thanksgiving.
I know, and it is one of our favorites. But Puppet, I think that we need to focus on the Gruyere and the frittata.
Yeah.
We can't do that. So, look at this. It's almost done. I keep focusing. What else are you going to do? So, here's what we're going to do.
Well, what?
Go.
Keep going.
Well, you tell me and I'm going to get ready. So then, it's like 5 or 6 eggs. It's super simple. I'm going to do that. Yeah. I'm going to whip them up. I'm going to whip them up.
Keep going.
Okay.
And so so Puppet has aunt and uncles who are coming.
Yeah.
And he's just going to give you a little warning now.
Yep.
There's Aunt Una. She likes to take over the kitchen, just so you know. So she's going to say she's helping you, but it's going to be her kitchen.
Oh.
So watch out.
Puppet. Okay. Thanks for the heads up.
Has Puppet told you about Uncle Egbert?
Dumping this in. Nope.
So
putting the eggs in here.
So Uncle Egbert, he has horns. And his little party trick is he likes to open cans, packages with his horns. So it's easier. Just let him do it, whatever, and it'll all be over pretty soon.
Oh, Puppet. Okay, good for that. Now hold that thought a minute because the eggs just went in. Now we're putting in the Gruyere. Now this is mixed with a little bit of sharp cheddar. It could all be Gruyere, but whatever you want to do.
That's good.
And then it looks a little soupy now, but for demonstration purposes, like we always do, I'm going to shut this off and look what you're going to get. So this you're going to stick in the oven, 350, super simple, and then we are going to get this beautiful thing.
Yeah.
Okay, bringing it over.
Uh-oh.
Careful, Puppet.
Not much room for
Nope, there is. Look at this. Put that over there.
My hand.
Yep, got it on your hand. I see that. I know.
Oh, no.
We're gonna put this right here, and then look at the frittata. Oh, Puppet. Sorry, honey.
Happening. That's
There,
right.
it's happening.
Puppet doesn't have any bones in his hand. He's good.
Puppet, it's all happening.
Just some cloth.
So this is what you get.
40 cents worth of fake fur.
$3.50, Puppet.
Yeah.
$3.50. Let's see if I can. You know, I'm challenged when getting things out of
Should be using your special frittata spoon for today.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Slips right out.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look how delicious. All right, so.
Puppet needs to warn you.
Yes, dear.
That, you've seen Puppet eat, right?
I have seen Puppet eat. It's a little
refined.
There, look at that.
Refined.
It is refined.
Yeah. Well,
Or
Puppet's
not.
much more refined since he's come to live with you.
Okay.
He's domesticated. But Puppet should warn you, the rest of my family is not so refined. They're kind of messy. So just giving you a little heads up.
Thank you for that, Puppet.
Yeah.
Now, Puppet, are you sure? Like, do I really need to, maybe, I don't know.
Watch out for that knife.
So, I'm not going to cut this, but look at how beautiful. And then you can just serve it with some bread. You can toast it. This happens to be, I don't know, fig bread or something. But you can fancy it up. And then butter. Look at that. Now you could cut it into 8 simple pieces.
Yeah.
And we're good to go. So it's like, but Puppet, you got this? Yep. It's our mushroom spinach Gruyere Frittata.
Do it.
And it's for all of our guests.
Okay. Puppet has one more thought. One closing thought.
What, Puppet? What do you have?
Puppet is also, like, Thanksgiving is new to him. Puppet has realized that, like, Christmas has a lot of songs and games and stuff like that.
Yep.
Thanksgiving doesn't have anything.
Yep.
So Puppet has come up with a song. So one thing that, like, Puppet found out about the cornucopia, the horn of plenty, and it's all full of, like, harvest vegetables and stuff like that.
Yep.
Puppet's only complaint, because, like, Thanksgiving is a big meal. There's a lot of stuff. But is that there are some things that are not included. And Puppet wishes that more things could be included, like pizza, hamburgers, whatever. So Puppet has a magic song. Puppet's song is called the Cornucopia Song.
Okay.
He's not finished yet, but this is the beginning. You ready?
I'm ready.
La la la, la 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 la.
No, tell me.
Okay. You may like Spanakopita, or maybe egg frittata-ta. You can have whatever you want-tata. If it fits in the cornucopia. Yeah.
Yeah. Puppet.
Yeah, you like it? Yep. Doo-doo. Catchy, isn't it?
It is catchy. Do you want to do it again?
No, that's good.
Puppet. On that,
right.
We're going to turn off our pan.
Do it.
We are going to say thank you to everyone.
Thank you.
Puppet, we've got so much to do again in 2 weeks. We do. It's 2 weeks,
2 weeks.
Puppet.
Oh no.
So let's get our thoughts together.
Yeah.
And say thank you, and we will see you next week as we get. Oh, Puppet, let's just go. Let's say thank you and let's just go.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Cornucopia.